Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update for Friday, 4th of March. And right now, guys, it seems like there's a little bit of positivity with SLP. I just like, when I zoom out in here out of SLP, I like the fact that you broke out of this area, the way you broke out of here, and you're really just above this line. That's really bullish. Really bullish. That's the only thing that's bullish, unless you don't lose the line again and you fall into the line, then it's not going to be bullish. So at this point of time, as I'm recording, it is good. And do me a favor, can you quickly just subscribe, and then I really want to reach 15,000 subscribers by June in my birthday. All right, so I'm going to be telling you this again and again. And join the Discord. The link is in the description of this video. Now let's talk about today's update, of course. And here we are. I do recognize that there are three black crows forming up here. Now this third candle hasn't closed just yet, so you're gonna be closing it in the next 16 hours. So what you want to see for this one is that it actually comes down near here to this 1.7 potentially and close there, and it means that it's gonna be interested to go even way more down. Okay, it's gonna be interested to do that. Now we did talk about the symmetrical triangle in the previous videos as well, and this symmetrical triangle is actually playing out. So the technical target of that symmetrical triangle comes down here to the 17. Okay, so if you do come to the 17, that's actually quite good. I think that's where you're having a support in here. If you do come down here, that's where you're making a big support right there, potentially even make a double bottom, but it's a big question mark right now. If you do hold the 17, then yes, you're gonna make the double bottom. But if you start to lose the 17 and potentially start to lose the 164, then that's gonna be really bad. You can even make a trade here and lose like 3%, and the gains could be bigger. Okay, you can get bigger gains out there. So what is it gonna be today? We're gonna see, and we're gonna see what Bitcoin does. Watch the Bitcoin update in the channel. I just put that one for you out there. And SLP, guys, I really want to see SLP doing good. I want to see SLP doing great. Let me dive into the we've already seen the daily. Let's talk about the weekly, if we do have any clues with the weekly. Yeah, so one thing is very clear: it's slowing down. Okay, it's really slowing down. It's like you made one big red candle, and now it's like you're really kind of slowly slowing down to reverse again to the upside. But it depends in the next 2 days how the closing happens. And we do know Saturday and Sunday can be a little bit ugly, and you can start to even dump to the downside. So don't get your expectation high anytime soon at this point of time. But this is actually looking to slow down, crawl down, and then in the next coming 2-3 weeks actually pick to the upside. I am expecting some gains to the upside for March. Okay, so you might do a little bit of shopping down here. I guess it's not looking bad at all. I mean, the structure is still maintained. You're still above a trend line that you broke, and as far as I see, it's just like coming down to the trend line. Okay, so yep, I think I'm just gonna maybe I might be interested to take an entry or not. It also depends on how Bitcoin gives me the answer as well. So that's it for this update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.